Here's what I like. Laying on the beach with sunlight in my eyes, laughing with my friends under the sky, following our hearts so then we take a ride. Wherever, I always try to let my spirit fly, fly away. That's the only way to get that high.
Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. I am so excited you clicked on today's video. I hope I give you tons of cleaning motivation. Let me know if you are cleaning with me today or if you are just hanging out. We are gonna get some areas cleaned in my house that have been neglected a little bit because other parts of my house are still clean and put together. So I wanted to get these spaces and areas done so the whole house can feel clean and complete. So we're gonna go ahead and just jump right in.
Now choose, you know exactly how to look like this. Holding in a bag full of goods and needs, I need a night like this. Knowing it's a risk cause you're using it. You got all your secrets. I can seem to move this thing. You're pulling me out and I'm right back in the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway, waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you.
I wanted to say thanks for all the love in my last couple of videos. It seems like you guys are really enjoying them and I love that. I know that you guys really enjoyed me sharing some new cleaning products and what I'm currently using. So there was a product that I picked up from Lowe's a couple of weeks ago that I shared in one of those videos that I forgot to test out and use. So I'm going to be testing out and using it in today's video.
You know exactly how to look like this. Holding in a bag full of goods and needs, I need a night like this. Knowing it's a risk cause you're using it. You got all your secrets. I can seem to move this thing. You're pulling me out and I'm right back in. I'm on the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway, waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help.
So next we're going to clean up my daughter's room. If you are new here, she is 6 years old and her name is Ava. She's currently at school, but you guys, her room has been neglected for quite a few days, so I wanted to go in and just clean it up myself. Later on in the video, when she's home, she's actually going to be decorating her room with a few fall pieces. She is definitely my mini because when she feels like it, you guys, she will just clean her whole entire room and then she'll be so proud of herself and ask us to come look at her room. She pays attention to detail. She'll organize stuff. She's really learned some of those skills over the years. She is still only 6 years old, so obviously she has a lot of room to grow, but hey, I'm an adult and my room still gets messy. So I just love seeing her grow into this little person with these different skills and interests.
Last night, I saw your arms around somebody. I never thought it'd be so hard, yeah. Even though I'm the one that broke us apart, yeah. Now I'm seeing her, watching you. Never felt so lonely, babe. I wanna be there next to you. I keep missing us, miss your touch, missing your body, babe. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Come back to me, come back, baby. Can't hide what I feel, just want you to save me. I keep missing us, miss your touch, missing your body, babe. Tell me what I'm gonna do.
So we picked up these two little yellow pillows from the Target dollar spot. They were $5 a piece. They're super cute. Ava loves them. So we just have them on her bed. Even though it doesn't match the room right now, she loves them and that's all that matters.
Come back to me, baby, I'm sorry.
So I'm going to go in with my Wood and Cabinet Therapy Clean Cleaner. This is a plant-based cleaner. I like it a lot. It cleans and it polishes and it has a light scent. So this portion of the video is sponsored by Clarifion, and you guys know I love my air purifier type devices in my home. I like to share those because I do think it's so important. And basically what this one does is it uses negative ions to attract positively charged airborne particles such as dust, pollen, dander, bacteria, and smoke from the air and neutralizes them. So this one is really convenient because it's plug and play. You just go ahead and stick it in the wall. It plugs right into the outlet. It has a blue LED light that will turn on, letting you know that it is working and purifying your space. I love this one because it is a quiet technology. It's energy efficient and requires no filters or upkeep. So this is perfect for allergy season, and it can be used in any room in your house, your kitchen, closet, bathroom, and bedroom. I'm really impressed with how sleek and nice it looks just plugged into the wall. I think it's very sleek and you can hardly notice it, so that's one of the things that I really like about it. I will have their link down below in the description box so you can check them out, and we're gonna go ahead and get back into the cleaning. So this is the product I forgot to test out and share a couple of weeks ago, but I picked it up at Lowe's. I just saw it on the shelf and I wanted to give it a try because I have some stains in my house that even my carpet shampoo hasn't got out, or some of the other products that I've purchased. So I wanted to give this a try. So first I'm going to go ahead and clean this area, do the laundry, everything that I need to do, and then we'll work on the stains. So I'm also going to clean the glass with this Aunt Fanny's glass cleaner. I am not a fan of it, you guys. I cannot stand the smell. It is way too strong of vinegar, but it's what I had upstairs to clean the glass, so that is what I'm doing. And then I'm going in with that wood cleaner to clean my entertainment center.
Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it live. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, let us go tonight.
Okay, it's been a while since I asked this, but I know I have some new subscribers also, so I would love to know what your least favorite chore is. If you're a longtime subscriber, you probably remember me saying that I do not like sitting and doing laundry. I don't mind washing and drying it, but I don't like folding laundry. I don't know why. It's just not my favorite chore to do. Let me know what your least favorite chore is to do around your house.
'Cause we're gonna light up the sky where we go. Oh, oh. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it live. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something.
have some pretty exciting and big family changes happening in our home this month. The first is our oldest, Isaiah. He is going to be moving out in a couple of weeks. He did get an apartment in student housing next to his school, which we all know that he is super excited about and is ready to go out on his own. And then second is my husband has a new job where he will be traveling and gone for weeks at a time, which is going to be a huge change for Ava and myself, just because both of them will be gone and we're used to being a family of 4. So I do feel blessed and grateful and excited for my husband and the new opportunity, but it will be a huge adjustment for our whole family.
I'm laying down it to compile it. Oh no, I see you only when you're ballin'. Oh no, I don't even care to doubt. I'll see you in a while, cause this time I will choose you, yeah. Now choose. You know exactly how to look like this. Holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this. Knowing it's a risk cause you're using it. You got all your secrets. I can seem to move this thing. You're pulling me out and I'm right back in. On the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I don't wanna seem to shaky. Oh no, like I'm sudden but I'm steady. Oh no, and they tell me to move on cause I deserve more, but still I wanna choose you, yeah. Now choose. You know exactly how to look like this. Holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this. Knowing it's a risk cause you're using it. You got all your secrets. I can seem to move this thing. You're pulling me out and I'm right back in. I'm on the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway.
Okay, so now that I'm all done vacuuming, I'm going to go in with the stain remover. So I have the Resolve Pet Stain Remover. I've used it on some stains and it has worked, but it doesn't work for all the stains I have in my house. So I went ahead and picked up this Amodex, I believe it's called, and it's an ink and stain remover. It says it removes all types of stains from Sharpies, grass, crayon, ink, dye, paint, grease, oil, coffee, chocolate, all of that stuff. So I haven't tested it on these. I don't know what's on my ground here, but there's an area that had some like orange discoloration that is kind of sticky, and it doesn't come out with any of the other stain removers that I've tried. And some of them have been suggested to me by other people, and I've tried those too. So we're gonna give this one a shot. Oh, and then this one was featured on Martha Stewart Living and Good Morning America, so that's pretty cool. I've just never heard of it before. Let me know if you've heard of this.
Time, just want the mood to be right, keeping it low in the night, yeah. So long since I get a glimpse of a light, it's blurring out my eyes. Oh, we should open up our window. Oh, I can't see clear. Oh, yes, I know how to window, cause it's just my habits. I can't describe it. And she keeps talking about it like it's magic. The way that she loves my habits.
so I had to wait until the carpet was dry, but you can see here that that stain is still there. The one that was close to it is gone, and then there was another one right over here, kind of under that orange stain right there. Those two came out, but then the orange stain did not come out, but it's faded. So I have high hopes to go ahead and just add some more, let it sit, and try it again. And then this area, I'm going to use the new stuff on this area. I just used that Resolve, so I'm going to give that a try there. So we did get 2 out of the 4 stains up. I am going to continue working on those other 2 with the new product, and I will keep you guys updated.
'Cause it's just my habit, I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic. The way that she loves my habits, just my habits. I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic. The way that she loves my habits.
It isn't hard to tell what you were thinking, babe. Your thoughts are only getting louder. While you are up in space, I sit here by myself. Are you gonna spill the truth, the waste your life away? Sitting on your fingertips, so I know what you'll say. Baby, don't bother, you know it hurts anyway. Don't bother, as long as you don't say that it's over now, that it's over. We used to talk about getting older. We said we hope.
Okay, so now Ava wanted to do a little bit of decorating on camera, so we're taking you guys along with us while she adds a few pieces in her bedroom.
I don't know what you did, but it's alright with me. It doesn't matter any longer. I will forgive your flaws if you're forgiving mine. Are you gonna spill the truth, the waste your life away? Sitting on your fingertips, so I know what you'll say.
All right, you guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new, please consider subscribing. And if you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. Meet me in the comments, and I will see all of you guys in my next video. Bye.
To talk